Although there are MLS of stunning coastline featuring powdery white fine sand in the superior turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea around Cancun, one of the very most noteworthy beaches is Playa Delfines Dolphin Beach, which is also nicknamed El Mirador, the lookout area. Of the reason Playa Delfines is especially special is that it's a totally unspoiled area that doesn't have any hotels, restaurants or other buildings built on the beach, that allows for a really blissful, comforting getaway in sunlight and surf. If you're traveling to Playa Delfines, you will surely enjoy the reality that the on-site parking is free, unlike a great many other beaches in the region. You may even make it happen easily by local bus or by taxi cab. As so many travelers choose to reach to the beach with no get worried of taking the correct equipment such as chair and beach umbrellas, you can lease these things when you make it happen. Furthermore, everyone will appreciate the actual fact that we now have clean restrooms at the beach that are well maintained, making your time and effort there a lot more relaxing. If you are actually vacationing with children, you'll be thankful that there surely is a playground at the beach to keep them entertained as long as they grow sick and tired of lounging around or building fine sandcastles. With palapas available if you are ready for a few shade, you may make your visit to Playa Delfines a whole day's outing if you want. And if your abdomen begins to growl, never dread, because there are a number of foods provided by local suppliers to limit your cravings. Playa Delfines earned its nickname as El Mirador because of its sweeping views of the Caribbean Sea and the places of Cancun. There is certainly even a solid wood lookout in which a colorful assortment of words spelling out Cancun supplies the perfect backdrop for a few terrific holiday photos. The brilliant blue-green hues of the clear waters are extremely appealing, and the waves near to shore are soft and make a perfect spot to splash around. While lifeguards are working throughout the day, going swimming further out here can be a little risky because water could be very rough sometimes. If you enter the drinking water, be sure you are extremely careful. Fortunately for individuals who enjoy browsing, these same conditions make it a great place for browsing, where waves have a tendency to be constant and decent in proportions. You can find no places to lease surfboards directly on the beach. Nevertheless, you can get a board around prior to you heading to the beach if you want to capture some waves. For an unrivaled beach atmosphere, head right to Playa Delfines for an unforgettable experience.